Ayun na nga guys, no, continuous ako sa aking story, no. So sabi ko nga yung sinabi ko kay madam, I tell to my madam that I do also that kind of a job na yung maglilinis ng clinic ng isang yung anak ng mayor, kung saan ako nagtatrabaho ng while I'm working in a bake shop. So that daughter of mayor na naging amo ko rin siya, dalawa amo ko o tatlo, oh my goodness. So she called me to clean her clinic because na I do the clean the slide, yung pinag-anuan ng mga blood, urine guys, at saka yung mga tube na lots of tube. So I use gloves. So yun guys, sabi nga ni madam, oh my god, every time you talking to me, you do lots of different kind of job. Sabi ni madam guys. Yaga, ay, ganun talaga ang loading nyo.